What? What is it?
There's a big one. Look. He's a big one. Look. That one's a big one.
What is that?
Look at this one. I want to get one. That's a reptile, Dad.
What's up, everybody? Bluegabe here.
Gobber.
Yep, that's right. That's Luke. We got Jake. We're in our backyard. I'm going to walk down this hill and show y'all one of the coolest things and one of our favorite things about this house. You want to show them, Jake?
Yep.
Let's show them.
Yeah.
Loki, come on, let's go.
Okay.
So you can see, right here's my pool, and it leads right off into this awesome trail. Oh, let's not forget that little turd.
Alright, guys. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park? Is that what you've named this place? So look at this place, guys. It's like an enchanted forest back here. Just cabbage head, oak hammocks. There's some exotics.
Dang, it's like a polar bear
I
falling
find
in the
dinosaurs
sky.
back here.
What does a polar bear falling from the sky have anything to do with what we're doing?
Because it falls.
All right, Jake, let's show them down here to the creek.
Right.
So this creek, we don't really know where it comes from. I guess I should find out. But it's almost crystal clear like it's spring fed, but I'm 99% sure it's not spring fed. So, we made some homemade crawdad traps / fish traps. We don't know. They just catch stuff. If you've watched Catch 'em All's eel video, you'll see Jake. He caught a crazy little freshwater eel. If not, go check Catch 'em All's channel out and you'll see that eel video. But for right now, he's got this, oh my, wait till I turn the camera around and show you. He's got this thing filled with all kinds of craziness. Jake, or Luke, you're not scared to not have shoes on?
No.
Redneck, where's your shoes?
Redneck doesn't have shoes.
This place is kind of prehistoric because I found like dinosaur bones and stuff.
Yeah, we'll show them all your collection.
I found a
Hold on before you pull that trap. Let me show it to him. So it's in pretty shallow water. You think you've caught anything?
Oh, I caught.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Let's go follow Redneck for a second.
Follow
Maybe
me.
he's taking me somewhere crazy.
This here is the deep water. The deep water's over here. We got.
What if there's alligators?
I don't really care
I
about
don't
that.
care if there's alligators in this creek.
You're going too, Luke?
Yeah. I'm going under.
I found a pair of rollerblades over here.
He found a pair of rollerblades. So if I could give all you parents one piece of advice as far as parenting. I grew up like this. Robert, my brother, deer meat, Aubrey, my family. We hardly ever get sick. We're barefooted. We walk all over the place. We eat crazy food. Just let your kids be kids. Let them explore. Let them get out in the bushes. Let them get out in the woods. If you have a ditch, even if it's in the backyard, don't have that opinion of, oh, that's nasty and we don't know what's in that water. Just let them in it. They're not going to die. If anything, it'll build their immune system. Now, I'm sure I'm going to have some people call me out on that, but hey, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. We've grown up in these creeks. We've grown up in ditches and swamps. This creek is 1,000 times cleaner than what Deer Meat and I and Aubrey, my oldest brother, grew up in. And we used to get our ears wet. We'd do cannonballs and backflips. So let your kids get out and explore a little bit. It's only going to help them. All right, guys, let's come back. Let's show them what's in your trap. Or if there's even anything in your trap. Redneck, come here. Come on, Redneck. Go get your blue barrel and get it down here and get some water in it. You catch anything yet, Luke?
No, not yet.
Well, that's what we got traps for. Redneck, come here. Tell everybody hi. Or not. All right, set it right over here on the bank. Right there. Now let's come over here and get some clear water. Let's just get a little bit of water. We don't need a bunch. Come on, get that trap. All right, pick it up and bring it over here.
All right.
So last night we did the sand flea video. That chicken that we cut up and put on the smoker on my extremely nice Traeger grill. We took the fat and I handed it to Jake and Samuel, and last night about dark they came down here and put the fat to that chicken in this trap. So let's see what he caught.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Look at these crawdads in here. We got crawdads from...
All right, well, you got to hold it still.
Right here, I'm going to get the crawdads down here. When we put it in the bucket,
Let's
you
dump
can
it in
see
this bucket. Here, let me hold it.
Out of the way.
All right, Lucky, we don't need any more water. Oh, there's a big one about to get out.
Oh.
All right, dump it. There you go.
This one's stuck.
All right, now get that chicken fat out of there and put it in this white bucket.
All right. Actually got a few
Dad,
more.
look at this one. He's putting his pinchers out.
Yeah, he's good. All right, get all the fat out and put it back in your trap. What are you doing? Are you... Seriously? Oh.
He just bit my ear.
Look how
Well, you
big.
put him on your ear, goofball.
I don't think I ever seen a crawdad get this big, like in person.
Well, Jake, these crawdads ain't exactly huge.
You
Come
think
on.
that's not huge?
Well, Jake, around the rest of the country, they get way bigger than that. Now,
Yeah.
that's a pretty decent-sized crawdad for here, but not everywhere else.
We got little ones, we got small ones.
All right, let's show everybody how you bait it now and what you bait it with.
I catch a couple crawdads in here and stuff, but what happens if I forget to fold this? But you gotta fold it.
So they can't get out?
Yep.
Now, how do you put the fat in there? Or whatever you're baiting it with?
I put it through here. I put in little chunks.
All right, we'll get it and let's get to showing.
Right.
Just go straight in that hole? Well, heck, that's pretty easy.
Dad, this one looks fat. Look, he looks fat.
Yeah, well, he is fat.
Yeah, he's fat.
These
All right, so
crawdads.
come down here and show it. Let's set it somewhere new.
Right.
I like it in that deeper water over there. Go down there to the deeper water and set it.
That's where I catch them all. What I do is I bring them over, all that vegetation over there. They live underground, and that is thick there, so they'll come out of the ground and come in the trap.
Oh, sounds like a plan to me.
I get the dip net, which is right there. I'll dip net right under there, and I'll catch a few. You want me to do that?
Right there. Check in there and see if there's anything in that big trap that we use to clean the gator heads.
Dead.
He's dead?
Yeah, let me throw him back in the water.
All right.
I don't think there's.
You think there's anything in
Oh,
there?
there's a grass root. Oh, grass
Well, hold on.
root. Here, Luke. I'll get them. I'll get the rest. I think that's all of them.
That's a good mess of crawdads.
I think that's all. We got
If those crawdads were a little bit bigger, we could have a catch, clean, and cook right here in our backyard. All right, y'all, so I didn't know we were gonna do this. I've been wanting to do it. I had another tank set up with the big prawns in it, but that tank sprung a leak. I had to get rid of the prawns. So I'm gonna run back up to the pet shop, get another 10-gallon tank, haul butt back here, set it up to where Jake and Luke can raise these crawdads in there so they get to see what they look like. They can watch them from all angles, feed them. Hey, we'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so we're here at Aquatics and Exotic. Jake caught all those crawdads. Now I'm gonna get him a fish tank to put them in. Let's go. Look at that, we need that tank. Right there. Look at that.
Look at Nemo.
Where's Nemo?
Right
Oh,
there.
right there's Nemo.
But
three of them.
Dude, this is what I want to get.
Nemo's.
I need me, whatever that, what do you call those things? A chameleon.
Dad.
What's up?
Turtle.
We need to show the world the two-headed turtle. Y'all, they have a 1 in a gazillion turtles. He's got 2 heads.
You got a good picture right there.
Look at that. A two-headed turtle. Can you pick him up? Yeah, you can. They've done it for me. Look at that, y'all. A two-headed turtle.
I like two-headed turtles.
Will you take $100 for him?
No, he's actually 10,000.
Ah! We'll have to do a bunch more YouTube videos to get it. 10,000 for a turtle. All right, y'all, leave a comment below if you want me to get more into the fish tanks. We already got one saltwater tank. We're gonna get some freshwater tanks. So let's walk around and see what they got to offer. What you got?
These are fish.
in the sink right now.
Let's see.
This is what we got today.
Oh yeah, this is what we're building, guys. So this
Yeah,
is
we
what
need
we're
these
building.
little guys.
Yeah, we do. We need a bunch of those little guys.
Yeah, there's a little one.
Yeah. Where's the big one at?
They sold that one already.
Oh, they sold him?
Dad, Dad.
They had the biggest blue crawdad ever. Look, Lukey, there's Dora.
Dora.
Yeah, Nemo's in the other tank. They're probably trying to find each other.
Look at that one. And these ones.
There used to
They're all
be
beautiful. Look at this dude. It's like he's praying. He's like, all hail the mighty crawdad. Hello.
Hi, mighty.
What do you think that guy's name is, Luke?
This one is the biggest one
Yeah.
over here.
I also want y'all to leave a comment below on your opinions on reptiles. Jake is huge into reptiles. He wants
a leopard gecko.
a leopard gecko. Jake wants a leopard gecko. Luke, no telling what he wants. We'll have all kinds of stuff. What is it?
There's a big one. Look. He's a big one. Look. That one's a big one.
What is
Look
that?
at this one.
I want to get one of
That's
those.
a reptile, Dad.
I want
That
to get
is a
one of those
reptile.
pythons over here. Come look at
Can you tell the boys we're excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So with that being said, we're going to be getting all kinds of cool stuff. Just so when the weather's bad, we can still make videos at the house and y'all can sort of get to know us on a more personal basis.
Look at all.
Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about reptiles. All right, y'all, we're back from the aquarium store. This is what we got. Simple, easy. I didn't really feel the need to show y'all how to put it together. It was the most simple thing in the world. You literally pull it out, put it together, put water in it, and psh, done. So, it's here, it's up, it's running. Let's put the crawdads in it because as soon as we're done with this, we're going giant gator hunting in Lake Okeechobee, but that's going to be a whole different video. Alright, let's lift the lid. Alright, get the garbage out of there. We don't want any extra stuff.
Let's put that right here.
Oh, we already got one in there. Luke, you're ahead of the game. They're going to love their new home. Now they won't have to worry about where the dinner comes from.
Don't we got any rocks for them?
Yeah, we will. Pretty neat.
I always wanted that right there.
You always wanted a crawdad trap or a crawdad tank?
I always wanted to just see the whole thing of crawdads like that.
Good job, Luke. Oh, Luke's double fisting. Uh-oh, they're already arguing.
I got the first one, Dad.
Yeah, you did. You did an amazing job.
Look how big that one is.
Look, this one's trying to get out.
I don't think they're near as big as the one we
Oh, they're
saw.
arm wrestling, Luke.
Yeah.
They're arm wrestling.
They look like they're happy in there.
I don't think they're any close to the size of the big ones.
All right, you guys. This was just a quick, short video to show you. I'm going to start doing videos of more personal things around the house. Show you the kids, show you Redneck, show you me, show you the house, show you everything that we do. As of right now, I've only been doing big, wild, crazy things. A few little ones here and there. I hope you enjoyed this fish tank video. I'm going to do more on it. We're going to put new stuff in it. We're going to put rocks, and we're going to show you the whole process. And right over there in my side yard, we're going to dig and put in a huge pond. What, Lukey? Oh, we forgot to show them all your things. Jake, show them everything that you found back
That's
here.
gator, that's a gator, that's gator. I got some saltwater stuff like a
And
barracuda.
this is a saltwater, and this one is a megalodon too.
Yeah.
I got 2 of these, it's just one's in the house. Duck skull, this is a bobcat, by the way. It's probably a sandhill crane.
Something like that. No telling.
We-
Well, that's cool. That's an awesome collection, boys. All right, so I know the glare is horrible. We added a little bit of Jake's bones in there. I'll get better footage tonight for the next video once the glare is gone. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed Jake and Luke's little bone collection that they found back there in the creek. We hope you enjoy all of our videos. Thanks for the love on the iguana video. That was amazing. Thank you for everything. Thank you for each and every one of your subscriptions. Thanks for all the shares. Thanks for everything. But like I always say, all good stories got to come to an end. And right now, we getting the heck out of here and going gator hunting. See y'all.